Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. People them have a saying for say, foreign change a lot of people. And sometimes if you know they in a foreign, you can never see them changes there. Because people come to Jamaica all the while and pretend, and people they over phone and pretend. People, this lady who had a son in Canada went to Canada when son take him up. And would you believe me that when this woman a go Canada and him son take him up, I have you know, within 11 months, this woman end up back in Jamaica. And not even 5 months after, this woman pass away of a broken heart. People, somebody reach out to me and say, J Progress, me I go tell you this. And even by telling you, you probably not gonna believe it. When the person them send on the story and share the story, me say, Jaja, people really can't change. Whether your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your one pitney, it no matter. People really can't change. Them say the lady have 3 kids, 2 daughters and 1 son. But the 2 daughters are the oldest, so the lady did want a son long time. The son is the youngest one. We call them the wash belly. Them say the woman treat the son different from the 2 daughters them. So in other words, it come like she love the son more. The son get anything. The son get away with murder. You understand? The son get away with anything at all. The woman treat the son like a one pitney alone she have. The 2 daughters them always feel neglected and know say the mother love the son more than them. And the mother did always wanted more boy pitney than girl pitney. Rule number 1. No matter how much pitney you have, never love any of them more than the other. Give each one of them the same love. It no matter if a girl did want have first or a boy did want have first. It doesn't matter. All of them should be loved equally. Based on the story, them say the woman did it, and everything. The son, time run off, the son grew up. The son get a bus go to Canada, pan farm work. The first chance the son get pan farm work, the son run off. It never take the son no time the son find a woman. Because they must see a boy with ugly or nothing and a boy with dress good and look alright, everything and hard working. Within no time the son get a woman in a Canada. No long time them here say married and this and that. In a no time him there Jamaica come look for him family. In him and him wife. Everything alright. Because of the favorite son, mother love him wife and everything and treat them like nothing else. You understand? The 2 daughters them not there yard, them out there in the world, them still there Jamaica. He did it till time run off and you know, the son treat the mother good. Treat the mother good. Fix up the place, everything alright, everything nice. Treat the mother so good. The mother no top boast on him son of Canada and this and that and rate. The daughter them feel like a failure. Them they are Jamaica, them build up them house at Jamaica, them live comfortable at Jamaica, they have them nice they can work, but them still feel like a failure to the mother. He did it till the son start discuss with the mother now, say, well, him want to bring her go to Canada. Them have one visa, if me don't lie, where the person say, like, me don't know if them call it, some parents visa them call it. But the parents visa which the lady get is she can stay in Canada for over 2 years and them kind of thing there. Until it lead up till she get her permanent residence. right? That she get her PR. So from visa she lead up till she get her PR because she have parents and whatever. Because the youth up there and the youth have a little data up there. Anyway, the youth do what him do. Do up in paperwork them and something send for the mother. When him send for the mother now, you know the mother all excited and this and that and ray and tay until the mother goes so zoops off on the iron bird. Ghana, Canada. The mother was meant to spend up to 2 years, come back down, then go back up again. People, in 11 months, just over 10 months, the mother was back in Jamaica. Almost 11 months, the mother was back in Jamaica. Nobody know what really go on because the mother never did a talk when the mother over there. All the way the mother go through for the over 10 months, almost 11 months, the mother never did a tell the daughter them nothing. The mother shame like a dog. The mother over there. And them say the mother say, when she arrived in Canada, right? She go over there to help them out with the little daughter and stuff. And the son line up for she go one little restaurant, go season up meat and so prep for the nether. She not work in the restaurant, you know. But she go clean up and prep for restaurant what the next day. Cause true she a big woman, you know, she not go do no full-time work. The son now make she do no full-time work. The mother they over there. And within a couple of months, the mother and the son wife can't take tea. The son wife now see and it annoy the mother. And the, you know our parents stay already and the mother did they try fix up place. But the more the mother keep the place clean, the wife feel offended. The mother always cleaning and tidying up and fixing up this and fixing up that. But she no know say it offend the wife. The wife start eat the mother more and more, make it look like say the mother coming and show her up. Because you know dishes not left in a sink, this not happen, that not happen, ray. So the mother and the wife nah take tea at all. The wife starts to she feel her home feel crowded, their home feel crowded, ray, and this and that. And when is the mother going back down? This thing is probably not going to work out. She never expect it was going to be like this. The house feels heavy, blah, blah. All kind of same thing the people them say. The mother break down to them. The son now. The wife and the mother get in a big argument. And the wife called the mother effing. Alright. She called the mother a effing bitch. No, as a mother never get them disrespect there. The woman up over there cry. When the son come in and the mother break it down to the son. And then the wife break it down to the son. As expected sometime. The son take the wife's side. And the son start how much time me tell yourself to feel no argument. Ray with such and such. Never mind. Based on how the people them get the story and share it. The mother is a quiet lady. She ain't them type of smarty there. Christian type of lady. From them time, the son start give the mother all kind of style and bad face and treat the mother some type of way. The mother feel so resent the mother locked down in a them little basement where she have her room. For days just come out, bathroom, eat, gone back in, then not talking, days, weeks, months up there. The mother withdrawn. One time the mother Them say the mother go wash, and this was the moment of the breaking point, and the mother pack up, you know, country people sometime and regular people, Jamaica people, sometime when everybody have washing machine at their yard. So the mother load up the washing machine with everything. Right? And the washing machine stop and now spin. The washing machine tap and now spin and the water now leak out. Sometimes the machine can fix, but you don't know if you load up the machine too much, sometimes these things can happen. The mother now don't want to open the machine so that water run out, because she don't know what go happen, she don't know where to press, for what, for drain out the water or what. She only know if you put her machine, put in things, press it wash, walk me back, and when it done wash it lock off, and you take out what you take out, do what you do. That's all she know. The wife called the son. The son chip some clot. Tell the mother in front of the wife. And sitting. Chip some clot and tell the mother in front of the wife. From the woman and the wife of the big falling out, the son start treat the mother like a dog. When they cook, them tell the mother to cook her own food because she don't know what time she coming out, they don't know what time she doing what. Because the mother withdrawn, because the mother say no energy, no nothing. The wife not like her. The clean up what the mother used to do, the mother cut down. Because the mother realized say no. Couple months run off, it start get to the mother. The mother tell the son say, nah, go back to the restaurant. She a prepare, she a pack up her things to go down. The son ask the mother, go down, or you go down and you're supposed to whatever. Remember say this, the mother says she want go her yard. So all the son up there treat the mother like dog. And the mother then in a strange place where your daughter-in-law and your own prize pitney, your favorite pitney, and your favorite pitney, this you know. Start treat you like a dog and you cannot. And the mother, while the mother was there in Canada, the mother do not call Jamaica and complain to the other two daughters them. When the daughter them realize that things not right, is when the mother call and tell the daughter them say like, me a come down next month. The daughter them have to try put 2 and 2 together and say come down next month. But mommy, after you never go if you come down no time soon. You ain't go run out 2 years and then you come down and go back up and you need not come down next month. I know 11 months good yet. You're gone. And we talk to you and say you have a little work and them little something there and not much, but whatever, you say everything alright. Nothing not alright. The mother just shame for talk. Shame like a dog that her son, her prize boy, where she put over her 2 daughters them, from them a little pitney, till him reach big man and warrior now. Him got Canada go realize say, the son put wife over him and start treat him like a garbage. Wife talk to her like she a piece of doormat at the doorway where you wipe your foot pan. The wife not like the mother. Because the mother show her up, make she look like she nasty and she based on when me get it, she's damn blasted nasty. But that's so you go, you know. Because if a person nasty and then somebody come in clean and always a clean up, they're gonna feel offended. Because the person who did a long time ago I look and I said then, yeah, tell me said he could not deal with this away and that the way and he never did that happen and now it happened. This it all look away upon the wife. The wife never liked that. Anyway, the mother adamant that she a go her yard. No matter what the son a say. Because at this point now, the son know him a treat the mother body now. And the fact that the mother want go home, the son worried about where the mother go down to Jamaica go tell the sister them say, and the son thinks that the mother already start tell the sister them, but the mother not tell the sister them nothing, the mother too shame. The mother can't believe say her price boy change like the weather like that. The mother can't believe say her price boy and countless amount of occasion make him wife disrespect her and talk to her like a piece of garbage in front of him and him don't say a word in English. Anything him do is pick the wife's side. Give or take not. You're there Canada and you done good. No matter what one. Me no care under what powers under the sun. My wife can't disrespect my mother. Me nah make my mother disrespect my wife either. And first of all, knowing I like her for me mother, my mother don't disrespect people. And me nah make nobody disrespect her. Me no care who. And furthermore, me nah go do it. So from me nah do it, you have to respect her. Simple as that. No 2 way, no 3 way, no kind of way. You're gonna have to respect her. Cause it worse, me know say she nah disrespect you nah nothing. Cares not how you feel. If you're nasty, as somebody clean come there, so be it. Me I tell you don't take it to heart. Me I say I saw my mother time. She just like clean on everywhere. Her OCD about her. I saw you do as a son and balance everything. Say, yeah man, she diagnosed with OCD. She can't help herself. She just have to clean on the whole place. And put the argument at ease. Since wife feel away. Simple as that. Anyway, the mother had a man to go back to her yard at Jamaica. Time come, zoops off. Jamaica. When the mother left, the mother said she didn't even say how they do to the wife. Based upon how the story reached me. When the mother get back to Jamaica now, the 2 sisters them start drill the mother. Question pan top of question pan top of question. Cause the mother no look right when she go down there. The mother no look happy. Cause the mother was so excited when she go away. The mother come back. The mother wasn't happy at all. Oh, everything break down. Cause even the 2 daughters them, I never them get the story. Me tell them say the woman is a church lady. And the woman best friend her church sister. The mother cried to and tell her. The mother tell the church sister everything. But the church sister now, how far them and the mother come from, and the church sister is like a godmother to the kids them. And she and the kids them have a wonderful relationship. So because the mother is so unwell from the whole situation, and the church sister say it and name the mother from inside out, the church sister lay it all down upon the 2 daughters them. Tell them everything. One of the daughters with peppery call the brother and dig up under the brother and tell the brother some same thing and tell the brother if he got turn him wife upside the down cross way center way and nyam till him belly full. One because the daughter was so upset. And from the mother come back from Canada, the mother was never the same. Sometimes the mother did sit down and just look out of space. The mother miss church sometimes what she not normally do. The mother look like she there in a space more while sometimes she just did it and she just cry, break down in her tears. And from the mother come from Canada. That's how the mother been. Till one morning, them a call the mother and knock her room door. And when they go in there, the mother stiff tone. Her pillar soak. Come like the woman been crying all night. And people, who no go tell me say, who no fi have favorite pitney. Who no go tell me say if you no have 3 pitney, who no fi have 1 favorite. Look, I'm prize boy, him favorite son. Cause him own mother fi pass away at broken heart just because of how him treat her when him take her to Canada. It shocked the mother brain. The mother couldn't believe. Because all that boy treat the mother even while the mother was at Jamaica and the boy there at Canada. The boy deal with the mother so good. So the mother was more than happy to go to Canada. The way the wife treat the mother when the wife come to Jamaica and when them talk on phone and everything. But see me and live with me are two different things. Let me tell you this, people. Whether you want to be mother, father, sister, brother, anything at all, foreign have a way to change people. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.